Hello. Today I am going to be talking about my virtual library. Just a little reflection. Sorry about that. A little reflection about the project itself. So first off, I just wanted to say I really enjoyed this project. I really like having the tools and this available to me. So even when I go to my future classes, I can reflect back on books that I liked and then stuff. If I don't like it, I can always take it out of my library. So I didn't even know this existed actually before this class, so it was really neat to kind of figure this out, kind of see what's out there for me. I definitely will use this in the future and continue using it in my future classes, and I'll probably keep adding over the years as I find more books that I like. Some of the books that I really did enjoy, there was one, it was Animal School, What Class Are You? So that was it was under informational bibliography, but I also think it could be under poetry because it was rhyming, but it kind of introduces you to young readers to the 5 different vertebrates and describes like characteristics of reptiles, fish, mammals, birds and amphibians. So I think I can use this in my class maybe for a certain type of lesson. I also really enjoyed Grandpa Greene. That was a good book. It was a Caldecott honor book, so I did really enjoy reading that one. It was, I really liked about like the family bonding, family history, and like aging. I only put one in here, but the Dr. Seuss books. I do love Dr. Seuss. I only put one just because personally, like I know that I do love them, so I don't need to list all of them in there. So those are always really good books. I work at a preschool and I actually read a lot of Dr. Seuss books to the kids, and they absolutely love it. So I really enjoyed this whole thing overall. What else? Let's see. Yeah, I don't really have much more to say about it. Just I really appreciate that you introduced this to me, and I can use this in the future.